So, need a hammer something?
Stay out of this guy's way. Pause it if you want to read that. I don't know if you call those hubcaps or what, but kind of cool. He wants to try to ride that. The Burgermeister Burger. Cool.
I come with four trailers on saying I would plan on something back there. Well, there's your crap. There's your truck.
It's the only Hummel I'd want to collect.
I got 2 flats.
How about that? Expansion chambers. I know everybody's going to say, Andy, you should make one of these, but it's way harder than it looks. I'm surprised this is the first one I've seen here of the old Suzuki kettle.
Now 3,500. So keep waiting. Yeah, don't wait like that, so you're going to look like 32 and a half, you're going to get 3,500. And 37 and a half, you're going to get 37, 50, you're going to get 35, 37 and a half. And 35, you're going to get 37, 50, you're going to get 35, 37 and a half. And 35, you're going to get 37, 50, you're going to get 35, 7 and a half. So $3,500, George.
No, right down to 135 from 118.21.
And
Condition, no reserve.
Suzuki rotary motor, like the old snowmobiles had a rotary motor, but way more complicated here. Isn't it? Yeah. I thought they had a wackier instrument panel. Maybe this was a later year. MD5s are popular. I'm not quite sure why, but I seem to like them. I claim that's a 450 with a Super Sport kit. I never saw one like this. It's pretty cool. Ron Woods always liked the Scramblers. This will be right up your alley, Ron, if you look at this video. Rickman Frame Z1.
So $22,000. Making on the internet. So
Ooh, man, but that sounds mean, those pipes on it.
somebody give 8,000, somebody give 8, somebody give 7, somebody give 6,000, somebody give 5, 5, somebody give 17, a half, somebody give 2,000, somebody give 2 bid, 22 and a half, and $2,250, somebody give 2 and a half, somebody give 2,000, somebody give 2,250, and $2,000, somebody give 22 and a half, somebody give 250, somebody give 2,250. So $2,000.
Now, Greg W138 from the Big Silver Collection, a 69 Galera 150 Sport, no reserve.
No, thank you. $1,250 for it. $1,000 bid, you're going to get 12 and a half bid, you're going to get $1,250 bid, you're going to get 1,000, you're going to get 12, 15, $1,500 bid, you're going to get 1,500, you're going to get 1,000, you're going to get 2, and you're going to get $1,500 for it.
That was in the movie Electric Light and Blue, Ron. Probably not. 67, 68. Boy, do I know my Harleys. Or did I cheat and look at the sheets? I did. Nice looking Honda. Let me think of that. That's a Super Hawk, I think. I'm getting old and forgetting what things are. Nice. Nice Titan. Put that in the back of my Nissan Titan. I believe that they said was on a ride that your kids might have been on at the fair back in the day, attached to a thing that went around like a merry-go-round. That's kind of cool. Here's another one.
Sold on the bill of sale, not from public road. Get it.
Somebody get $5,000, you're gonna get 10,000, you're gonna get 10, you're gonna get 5,000, you're gonna get 2,000.
It's pretty cool, whoever made that.
At $3,500, 4,000.
I think.
You're gonna get 4, you're gonna get 4, you're gonna get $4,000. I have $3,500 bid, you're gonna get 4 bid, you're gonna get 4,000, you're gonna get $3,500 bid, you're gonna get 4.
People are taking these old ride-on things and putting motorcycles on them.
4,000, and you're gonna get $3,750.
Kawasaki modeled after a BSA. I thought they'd sell like hotcakes, but not really. Like anything Kawasaki, you don't see much of it. I had a BAT. Wish I still did.
So $3,500. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, here's Russ Gummer.
I'll walk down from the George Shop Collection. Now, George, all offering no reserve. This is only the one today, though. It is from the George Shop.
Do you guys have one of these at the shop? Is it popular or don't you know?
I don't know how popular, but I'm pretty sure we have them like that.
Don't know about that. Well, this about wraps it up for Jim Lakes Motorcycle Museum for 2026 here at Mecum.
10 last call. $9,500 to pounds that. Sold $9,500.
Offering on W153 and 1950 AJS.